Before you begin soldering, locate your safety glasses and your gloves. Turn on your call light and ask your instructor to use the sink to wet your sponge. Once again, you hold the soldering iron down onto the connection and you feed the solder in until a tiny solder bubble appears. The solder bubble should be in the shape of a little tiny Hershey's Kiss. It should not be a big ball of solder. Soldering this chip is a little more difficult than soldering the other components because each leg of the chip is very close together. So what you're going to need to do is make sure you make very tiny little solder bubbles, and if they happen to touch, you will need to fix that by taking your soldering iron and rubbing your soldering iron in between the legs of the chip until two separate solder bubbles appear. When soldering is complete, your board should look similar to this. When you have completed your soldering, turn your call light on and ask your instructor for a 9-volt battery. Snap your 9-volt battery onto the battery connector. When you press the button, you will notice that the light will flash on and off. To play the reaction tester game, your goal is to release your finger at the exact second that the light flashes. If you are successful and you release your finger at the exact second that the light flashes, the light will stay on.